Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip kick combos using a punch transition for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be learning the 9th set of combos for two-handed flip kicks, which use a punch transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 8th set of combos down for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So a punch transition is any time you land a trick with both legs at the same time and then take off into another trick with both legs at the same time. So these combos are pretty self-explanatory. There's not much to go over, so let's just get into it. So the first combo is going to be a pop round off to a pop master scoot round. So you're going to do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to take off both feet at the same time into your pop master scoot round. The second combo is going to be a pop round off to a pop hand swipe hook. So you're going to do your pop round off and again land in a backside stance, and from there you're set up to take off into your pop hand swipe hook. Third combo is going to be a slant spring to a pop master scoot round. So you're going to do your slant spring and again land in a backside stance. From there you're set up to do your pop master scoot round. And the last combo is going to be a slant spring to a pop hand swipe hook. So you're going to do your hand spring, land in a backside stance, and then you're set up to throw your pop hand swipe hook. So remember that you can always start with a spin in the beginning of these combos or end the combos with a follow through or not. That's totally up to you. And as for tips for these combos, I just recommend kind of getting your hips back a little bit before you go into your second skill. So out of your pop round off and your slant spring, make sure you land both feet at the same time, kind of get your hips back and then jump out, kind of like out and back into your master scoot, your pop master scoot round or your pop hand swipe hook. And also try your best to stay on the balls of your feet as much as possible. You don't want to be flat-footed or it is going to be hard for you to actually go into your second trick. And if you need a little bit of help, and if you want a little bit of, I don't even know if I have prereq combos for these. If I do have prereq combos, I'll put it right there. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Yeah, all right. Next, we'll be getting into the 10th set of combos for level 2.4, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.